Welcome! If you're here, you're probably frustrated with Discord crashing every time you try to type on the web version after the latest update. Don't worry, you're not alone, and there's a quick fix that can get you back to chatting without interruptions. Let's jump right into the steps you need to follow to stop those annoying typing crashes on Discord Web for PC. First, open Discord directly from your browser. Make sure you're not using the desktop app for this fix, as the steps are specifically for the web version. Once Discord loads, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and, right next to it, a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Now that you're in settings, head over to any chat. This can be a server channel or a direct message. What matters is that you're in a chat window where you can type messages. Below the chat area, you'll find the text box where you usually type your messages. Here's the important part. Right under this text box, there are some options related to how Discord previews emojis, mentions, and markdown syntax as you type. You want to disable these previews. Look for the toggle switches or checkboxes labeled Preview Emojis, Mentions, and Markdown Syntax as you type. Turn these options off. This simple action can prevent Discord from crashing when you're typing, especially if your messages are long or you're using lots of formatting. After you've disabled those previews, try typing a message in the chat. You should notice that Discord no longer crashes, and you can chat as much as you want without interruption. That's it. Just a few quick steps, and your Discord web experience should be smooth again. If the problem returns after another update, just repeat these steps. And if you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might be having the same issue. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!